Chapter 13. Data Analysis and Map Making Using Computer. Students, earlier we learned about the methods to understand geographical information, to analyze it, to process it, and to present it. In 21st century, the human tendency to go beyond national boundaries to expand up to a global platform has increased. Today, when a man's identity has developed as a global man, he is facing many geographical challenges. The basic aim of every technology was always to conquer all situations coming across the human development. So the study of new technology in geography has become very important. The information received through satellites or other sources has become important for proper management at the time of natural hazards and various natural factors which affect the routine life of people. By using computers, such information can be easily used and analyzed. Computer is an important electronic device for analysis, processing, and presentation of data. In this chapter, we shall learn about the computer and its integrated system for data processing and map-making processes. Hardware and software. Physical components of computer which can be touched and can be seen are known as computer hardware. Generally, keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, processing unit, pen drive, etc. are known as hardware. Software is the collection of programs to perform some operation for specified task. Example, Microsoft Office, OpenOffice, Windows operating system, Linux operating system, Mozilla Firefox, etc. Special hardware like digitizer, scanner, plotter, etc. are used to utilize geographical software and to analyze data. Digitizer. This device is used to add a specific point and coordinates of latitudes and longitudes of any area. Scanner. This device is used to add printed matter of the map in the computer. Plotter. With the help of this device, the maps prepared in the computer are printed on a large scale. Example, wall maps, topography sheet, etc. are printed through plotter. Various software are available to prepare and analyze geographical maps. Let us know about the software for image processing and map production. AirDAS image and ENVI software are used to get geographical information by applying different processes over satellite image areas. For the preparation of maps and graphs, software like GRASS, GIS, ArcView, GeoMedia, Gram++, iGIS, SPSS, that is Statistical Program for Social Sciences, SAS, that is Statistical Analysis System, OpenOffice Calc, MS Office Excel, etc. are used. Use of Calc in graph creation. Calc is a spreadsheet program through which various types of graphs can be prepared. A graph is specialized technique to present large data in an attractive way. It is also known as a method to show statistical information in a pictorial form. A graph is used for various purposes such as to show the history of any geographical condition, for evaluation of various options, to know any specific trend, or to find out extraordinary instance. So, let us now understand the steps to represent geographical information in a graphical form with illustration. Steps for graph creation. Start the Calc program. Enter the data in the worksheet as shown in above figure and select it. Click the chart button on the standard toolbar. This will open the chart wizard. In the first step of chart wizard, select the type of the chart, that is column, pie, line. The second step in the chart wizard will show the data range of the selected data. In the third step of chart wizard, data series is shown. In the fourth step of chart wizard, add the title, subtitle, and names of X and Y axis. Also select the location for legend and click on Finish button. By doing this, the graph for the selected data will be shown on the computer screen. Note, both the above charts are based on the data given in the figure. Similarly, a line chart can be prepared from any other related data. Use the file save command to save the above graph and data. Apart from this, you can change the pattern, color, size, shade, etc. in the graph. Map making softwares and their applications. Maps are prepared to understand any geographical area thoroughly and to be acquainted with it. Various softwares are used in computers to prepare maps. Natural hazards, weather forecast, research about forests and its procurement, agriculture production, locating the fishing zones, rate of soil erosion, depth of groundwater, etc. are presented in a way which is understood easily even by a common man with the help of satellite imageries and processing software. Among the softwares mentioned earlier for preparing different types of maps in geography, we shall know about the GIS software. GIS. GRAS, that is Geographical Resources Analysis Support System, is a competent software for management and analysis of geospatial data and to prepare the geographical maps. GRAS software is used in educational field, commercial sector and by the government. GIS is free to use and open source, a permission to publish modified software version, software program. GRAS provides views of the maps prepared by worldwide users and also the facilities to prepare new maps. Tools to prepare two-dimensional, that is 2D, three-dimensional, that is 3D, raster and vector maps, image processing, and to analyze the pictorial information etc. are given in GRAS. The GRAS software can be installed in Microsoft Windows, Linux, Mac, and OS X operating system. While starting the GIS software, the opening screen appears which is shown in the figure. Raster data. Generally those pictures which use pixels are called raster. For example, the satellite imageries, scan maps, aerial photographs etc. shown pixels when enlarged. Vector data. Vector data means the data which holds information about the direction and dimension. It is the dimension which show relative location of one place or except to another. Street, river, railway, pond, urban area, etc. are examples of vector data. Raster and vector maps can be prepared using raster and vector data with the help of GIS software. Some illustrative maps prepared by GIS software are shown in figures. Advantages of map making using computer software. With the help of these softwares, maps can be prepared in short time, at lower cost, and according to the need of the users. By using this new technique, maps are prepared easily, colored, attractive, and in a specific dimension. It is possible to make changes according to the requirements. These maps are more acceptable due to exact information. Statistical data are saved in the software, so this data can be retrieved after easy modifications. Geographical Information System, that is GIS. Geographic Information System is such a computer system through which the geographical information collected through various sources is stored and can be presented after processing. GIS presents such information on maps and acquaints the common man about the geographical patterns and relations. GIS was first used by Roger Tomlinson in 1968. He is known as the father of GIS. This is a computer-based system wherein the observations of spatial information of various strata are stored. In this system, the locations on the surface of the earth can be shown in the maps with reference to their latitudes and longitudes. This system is associated with construction, public health, criminal mentality, national security, sustainable development, natural resources, landscapes, transportation, location of public facilities, comprehension and management of natural hazards, regional and economic planning, etc. GIS is used with reference to the following: searching of natural resources, community services, health, energy, mapping of natural phenomena, occupation, indication of water resources, bathymetric survey, education. Global Positioning System, that is GPS. This is a global locational system through which global navigation is carried out. GPS system works on the same lines as that of Global Navigation Satellite System, that is GNSS, which is a radio navigation system working during all sessions. GPS was developed by US Army. In this system, a total of 24 satellites are stationed around the Earth and are working constantly. The revolution time of each satellite is 24 hours and is based on the satellite tracking system spread over the entire world, where the intersecting points of GPS signals are used by the group of satellites. It decides the location of any object within a circumference of 500 meters. This system is known as triangulation. Radio signals from satellites are sent on Earth. These are received by the ground control centers and retrieved thereafter. These retrieved signals can be used by the user in his device. Here the person can know his location at the specific time on the Earth. He can also see the aerial view of his location on the computer and hence he can plan his work very conveniently. Uses of GPS, location and time related information. It is very helpful in deciding the location of any stellar body from any place on the Earth. It is useful to sky gazers, navigators, trackers, etc. It indicates the time zone of particular location. Auto vehicles. It provides necessary guidance to driverless vehicles and to know the accurate locations of the vehicles like trucks, buses, etc. Maps. This technique is used for general maps and for military use. Cellular phones. Here the watch of the traveler entering one time zone to another time zone is automatically adjusted according to the time of the location concerned. Emergency. It is useful to trace the caller, to know the location of the affected area or the phenomena, to know the exact location of a cell phone user, etc. Mobile tracking system is used by the police department to nab the culprits. Disaster relief. This technique is also used to reach the spot and provide the relief. It is helpful to trace a group, movement of military forces, location of flight of holders of VVIP security, speed and location of transport carriers from time to time, etc. General Packet Radio Services, that is GPRS. General Packet Radio Service is a global technique based on 2G and 3G cellular communication system with reference to mobile data. It is known as GPRS. GPRS is a wireless communication service based on EcoPacket, which connects the users of mobiles and computers with internet continuously at the speed of 56 to 114 kbps, that is, kilobytes per second. This technique is very widely used in these fields of various economic activities, routine transactions, exchange of information, disaster prevention, security, etc. It can be said without any hesitation that the global transactions would become more convenient through these improved techniques and equipments.